Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a review that I'm making for MacBook Pro M5, which I just launched a week back. So I'm making a review video after a long time, but I'm excited about this laptop, this piece, so I thought why not record it as well. So let me just start. This is the laptop. Always such a nice finish that we get from MacBook. Nothing changes there. And design wise, actually, it hasn't changed much from M4. And to be honest, precisely nothing. We talk about the dimensions, the weight, or something, is more or less the same. Only thing they have changed actually is the processor, which is M5 from M4, and processor also is mostly on the speed basis. The GPU performance is something they have highlighted, that GPU is around 35 to 40% faster from M4, which is something that I think we will have to check. Let's see what else we are getting here. Okay, so this is the cable that you are getting here. Okay, and let me keep it aside. Then there is a power adapter. So when you're buying it, you have an option to choose the power adapter. There was an option, I chose the 96 watt one. My bad. So 70 watt one is the one I was choosing earlier. Then I decided no, let's choose the fastest one. So this is for fast charging support. This Mac is will already give me around 24 hours of battery, so more than enough. What we want, charge it in a day, use it all day. Still, when you're charging it on the go, you need the fastest these days, because I want it to be future proof. I want this laptop to last 2-3 years at least. So yes, in that case, I think not getting a 96 watt charger, the fastest speed possible, is the right choice. Something you can spend your extra bucks on. So yes, why not? And then let's see what else we are getting here. And there's this MacBook Pro. Okay, it is the basics. It will tell you the basics of the laptop, what port it has, what all the features that you can use, as in if you haven't used a laptop, if you haven't used a MacBook before, yeah, that must be useful. Yeah, so this is the MacBook Pro design. I mean, that build you have seen, the cable. So unboxing part, what you want to see is this. You get the, if you're choosing the charger like this, you get this adapter with the cable. Definitely the laptop. Okay, I have plugged in. Let's start. I'm talking all like that. I have seen the laptop for the first time. You can yes. No, I'm good with English. Don't tell me these things. So I'm going to do the basic setup. Let me choose the language. I was talking about why I have chosen this over that matte screen. The major reason for that is this particular laptop gives me that screen, that play screen which you call it, and which I find is better because we want to use and feel that pro screen, which is very rich in contrast, and you will really enjoy that screen compared to MacBook Air, which is one of the major reason why I chose MacBook Pro over Air. So yes, so I didn't want to compromise on screen. That's why I did not go for the nano texture, because it will reduce that kind of contrast that you get on the screen. There you go. So setup is done, and let's get started. Well, yep, here it is. So if you will notice, this is what I was talking about. This nice screen that you are getting with this MacBook Pro is something that I really wanted. That was why I did not go for the matte screen. And well, this looks very nice. I'm going to explore it more. So thanks for watching my video. I've kept it basic so that you are just seeing the unboxing, what are the things in the box and how does the setup look like, how is the first feel, and what is the configuration I have chosen. I will use it for some time and then share some review of how I feel it is, how fast actually it is, and should you consider upgrading it if you have an M4 or if you have an Air. Let me know if you like this or if you have any questions. Feel free to put it in the comments. Thank you.